Welcome to a new way of living where every inch of your home works smarter, looks better, and feels more of you. At the Space Company, we use multifunctional products to design, maximize your space, elevate your comfort, and simplify your lifestyle. There are so many companies out there. But what makes us different? We don't just design, we manufacture everything ourselves. Yes, we have our own in-house manufacturing unit, which means better quality, perfect customization, faster delivery, and complete control over every detail. In today's world, smart homes are not luxury, they are necessity. Multifunctional furniture saves space, reduces clutter, and gives you the freedom the way you want. Whether it's your home, office, or study room, we customize every design to fit your needs, your lifestyle, and your budget. At Space Company, we design it, we manufacture it, and we customize it just for you. Your dream home interiors made smarter. If you are looking for a smart home interiors, visit our website thespacecompany.in or visit our experience centers Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Hyderabad.